Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a differential on a Dodge Charger. First, gather all necessary tools, including a 13mm socket, a 24mm wrench, and a torque wrench. Safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it with sturdy jack stands. Prepare a drain pan for the old fluid and ensure you have the correct new differential fluid, typically a 75W140 synthetic, and a new gasket or RTV sealant. Next, place your drain pan beneath the differential and remove the drain plug, allowing the old fluid to completely empty. Once drained, disconnect the drive shaft from the differential input flange, typically using an 8mm hex bit. Then, unbolt the axle shafts from the differential, usually requiring a 13mm socket. You might also need to temporarily remove exhaust sections for better access to the differential bolts. With the fluid drained and components disconnected, it's time to remove the differential. Use a transmission jack or a sturdy floor jack to support its weight, as it can be quite heavy, often weighing over 50 pounds. Carefully unbolt the main mounting bolts that secure the differential to the subframe. Once all bolts are removed, slowly lower the differential, ensuring it clears all surrounding components. Take care to avoid any sudden movements. Now, carefully lift the new or rebuilt differential into place, aligning it with the mounting points. Secure all mounting bolts, typically torquing them to around 110 foot-pounds. Reconnect the drive shaft and axle shafts, ensuring all bolts are properly tightened. Finally, fill the differential with approximately 1.2 liters of the correct 75W140 synthetic gear oil until it reaches the fill plug opening. Check for leaks.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.